Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to upload high-quality videos on Google Drive. First of all, you can open the Google Drive application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on upload file. You can now tap on photos and videos, and here you can just simply select the album. I can select this album. After selecting the album, you can just simply select the video that you want to upload. You can upload high quality video. I can select this video, and now you can tap on upload at the top right corner of the screen, and this is the way you can upload high quality video on Google Drive. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.